Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the waterfall model. So before going into waterfall model in software engineering, what we are going to do? We are going to design, develop, test and maintain particular software. So when we come to software engineering, the term itself denotes that some engineering product about the softwares products and how we can maintain it. Okay, so it is a systematic and disciplined approach to software development. We can create it. It has to be reliable for the customers mainly. So software engineering includes variety of techniques, methodologies, okay, in order to develop one particular product. So when we take a particular product, so how we can develop, how we can design it, how we can create it. So that is a question mark. So we have several methodologies in software engineering in order to develop this particular product. So about waterfall model, it is a traditional software development methodology. It is introduced by Winston W. Royce in 1970 itself. So there are many software development lifecycle models like spiral model, waterfall model, um, and we have many agile models. Okay, so now today we are going to see about waterfall model. It is one of the um, main important um, projects, project management and software development life cycle. So here we are going to have a sequential phases. Like first phase will be requirement, the second phase will be design, the third phase will be development phase, testing phase, deployment, and then comes the maintenance phase. Okay, so in requirement phase, so whenever we take a particular product, so we have to analyze what will be the most important thing for the customer, for customer satisfaction. So when we take even for example, if you take a pen, so the pen model, the color of the pen, the you know the handling it, so how it has been designed, the ergonomic design of the pen. Okay, so everything it has been taken into account for customer according to customer reviews. So it has to be very handy for the customer to use it. And suppose if we have a perfume in a pen also, it will be uh, very good for particular children's, right? So we have to analyze in terms of customer service. Okay, so that is a thing. So first requirement. So whenever we have to gather the informations of customer, we have to take a report of it. So what will be the customer specification, and by reviewing a particular product. Whenever we wanted to design a particular product, so first we have to take a review on that particular product. Next is design. So when we have come to design, there's two types: high level design and low level design. In high level design, the components is divided into like it divided into many parts, and it can be interact with one another. That is design, high level design. Low level design, which means we can say like it can be divided, and it has to be functional, and it should be very active whenever we execute it. That is low level design. So it is in place, we can say the coding process, that is low level design. Okay, so the designing part have to interact with one another, one module to another module. That is what is design is. So we can just define the component, okay, each components, and it has to interact with one other components. Next is about development phase. Whenever we come to development phase, the goal is to transform the design to development, right? So development can be done in programming languages. Many programming languages are available like Python, JavaScript, we have, and Node.js, we have many other software, Dreamweaver softwares. Okay, so we can develop that particular design into development stage through programming languages. So in development, uh, we have to be ensure that the particular program has to run. Okay, each module have to execute, and it has to be functional. And next is about testing and deployment. So after developing, we have to test it whether it is working accurate. So we have to test like some testing series like alpha testing, beta testing, and acceptance testing. Alpha testing means it has to be performed by the development team only. Beta testing performed by the customers who use a particular product, that will be under beta testing. And then acceptance testing comes like the performance determined to accept the delivered software. Deployment, so once a customer decides, once a customer meets the end requirements, so it can be deployed and it will be available to the end users to use that particular product. And next comes maintenance. After the customer is consuming, we have to maintain that particular product. So how we can maintain? There are many different maintenance: corrective maintenance, perfective maintenance, and adaptive maintenance. So this type of maintenance is carried out to correct errors, and perfective maintenance is based on customers' request, and adaptive maintenance is usually to work in a new environment. Okay. Thank you.